Guess what, everybody? It's a perfect time of year to do some gardening, so I've got the perfect thing for everybody to use. So I just got the garden tool set from Aimerla, and so we're going to open up the box, and we're going to show what goodness is inside. So, what do we got here? We got some gloves. Wow, those look pretty nice, actually. We have some tools that are individually wrapped. Wow, they're individually wrapped. So we have some root pullers, we have a claw, oh my gosh, we even got shears. We got shears in there. Man, those are pretty snazzy. What else we got here? We got another claw. That's definitely dangerous. We have nice looking soil digger. We have another soil digger. It is a root puller, or just a to get the dirt around from the root so you can dig it out and transplant the plant. And then we got in here a nice bag. Okay, so I got everything out of the bag, and as you can see, these things are very well made. Here's the gloves that come with it and the really nice tool bag. Now, this tool bag is double-sided with pockets for every tool, and it opens up in the middle so you could put any kind of dirt in here if you wanted to. You can put any other kind of tools. That way it's all together in one bag. So these are top quality with durable material. No one else on the market put as much care into these products as this one does. It definitely comes with a warranty. These are non-slip handles integrated with holes that can make for simpler storage and everything else. Every one of these guys has a hole to put on hooks, and that way you could store them in your garage, or you can keep them in the bag, whatever you'd like and however you want to store your tools. These pockets are definitely pretty deep. I can put a tool in there or on top just so you could see it goes all the way to the bottom and it goes all the way to the top for nice storage for every one of these tools to go into. I think this is a great product. I'm going to use it probably later on this afternoon, and I may do an updated video on that. So I have tons of weeds and stuff around my hostas, and I'm going to clear it out. So I'm going to do a little demonstration on what to do and how good these tools work. And this claw works really good to get underneath and to clear this plant, where you can take it and just dig right into and be more specific on where and how I clean. So then I will take the claw, this guy, and I'll get in here and I'll start digging some of these root bearings out, clean all around this hostas. I think these things work really well. Okay, I just did the demonstration. It worked absolutely marvelous. These tools are sharp, they're ready to go into dirt, and ready to make you sweat.